Make money online by watching videos on your phone. Welcome to Profitability Plus, where we provide expert guidance on ways to boost your income through simple and accessible methods. In this video, we'll explore apps that offer real money for watching videos online. While you won't become a millionaire, you can monetize your screen time and make a few extra dollars. Let's dive in and discover 9 free and easy-to-use apps that allow you to watch videos on your phone and earn real money. Before we begin, it's essential to set realistic expectations. If you're looking for a get-rich-quick scheme, you won't find it here. However, if you're willing to put in some time and effort, these apps can provide a supplementary income. Remember, we're talking about watching videos you'd likely watch anyway, so why not earn a bit of cash while doing so? Let's explore these opportunities step by step. Number 1. Mode Earn or Current app. Mode Earn, also known as the Current app, offers multiple ways to earn, including watching videos, listening to music, and completing surveys. You can receive payments through PayPal or gift cards. If you're a casual video watcher, you can expect to earn between $40 and $100 per month. To get started, visit the website and download the app. Complete the sign-up process and you can begin watching videos and making money. Number 2. Toloka Yandees. Toloka is primarily designed to train AI, but it also offers opportunities to earn money by watching short video clips and completing related tasks. Payments are made through PayPal, Skrill, and other options. Casual watchers can make between $20 and $50 per month. Visit their website to register an account and start watching and earning. Number 3. Timebox. Timebox is a GPT or Get Paid To platform that allows you to watch ads, promotional videos, and more. Payment options include Bitcoin, Skrill, and direct bank transfers. Earnings can range from $30 to $300 per month, depending on your dedication. Visit the Timebox website, register with your email, and begin watching videos to earn. Number 4. Paid Work. Paid work offers various tasks, including video watching, which primarily involves ads and promotional clips. Payments can be received through PayPal or gift cards. Casual viewers can make around $50 per month, but some claim to earn up to $500. To get started, visit their website and sign up with your email. Number 5. Gamey. Gamey is a casual gaming platform where you can earn money by watching game trailers and ads. Payments are made via direct bank transfer or PayPal. You can expect to earn between $20 and $60 per month as a casual video watcher. Simply download the Gamey app and follow the registration process to start earning. Number 6. YSense. YSense is another GPT platform that offers earnings through watching ads and short promotional videos. Payment options include PayPal, Pioneer, and gift cards. Casual watchers can make between $25 and $65 per month. Visit their website and follow their instructions to join and start earning. Number 7. Honeygain. Honeygain allows you to passively earn by sharing your internet connection. Occasionally, it offers video watching tasks. Payment is through PayPal, but the platform's video earnings are relatively low, averaging around $20 per month. Visit their website to download the correct app and get started. Number 8. Skills Games. While primarily focused on paying you to play games, Skill Games also provides opportunities to watch game trailers and in-video ads. Payments are made through PayPal, and earnings can range from $15 to $75 per month, depending on your dedication. Download the Skills Games app, create an account during registration, and start earning. Number 9. Sprout Gigs. Sprout Gigs is a relatively new platform that offers payment for various tasks, including watching videos. You can watch promotional content, ads, and other video types. Payments are made through PayPal and other digital payment options. Casual video watchers can earn between $30 and $140 per month. To get started, visit their website and register your account. How to maximize your earnings. While these apps won't make you rich, there are strategies to boost your earnings. Consider watching videos during your free time, like when you're commuting or waiting in line. Some apps offer referral programs. Invite friends and family to join, and you can earn additional income when they use the app. Check for daily or weekly bonuses. Some apps provide extra rewards for consistent use or achieving specific goals. Keep an eye out for special promotions or offers within the apps. These can provide temporary earning boosts. Managing your time. It's crucial to strike a balance between watching videos and your daily responsibilities. These apps are best suited for earning extra cash, not as a full-time job. Set a reasonable daily or weekly goal for your earnings. This will help you stay motivated without overextending yourself. Payment methods. Different apps offer various payment methods, such as PayPal, gift cards, or bank transfers. Choose the method that suits you best. Ensure you have the necessary payment account set up and linked to the app to receive your earnings seamlessly. Geographic availability. As mentioned earlier, some apps may have restrictions based on your geographic location. Check if the app is available in your country before investing time and effort. Privacy and security. Be mindful of your privacy when using these apps. Review their privacy policies and permissions carefully. Use strong and unique passwords for your accounts to protect your personal information and earnings. And lastly, stay informed. Keep an eye on app updates and news related to these platforms. New features or opportunities to earn may arise, and staying informed can help you maximize your income. Alternative earning methods. While video watching is a popular way to earn on these apps, some of them may offer additional tasks, like surveys, that can diversify your income sources. Remember, these apps won't make you rich, but they can help cover bills, provide some extra spending money, or contribute to paying off debt. Monetizing your screen time is an easy way to boost your income. If you found this information helpful, please like the video and subscribe to our channel for more expert insights. Thank you for joining us on Profitability Plus. We hope you've gained valuable knowledge on how to make money by watching videos online. Until next time, stay informed and make the most of your opportunities.